This isn't fair.
Winbear, what's wrong?
I asked Blown Jay that he can be my guardian, but didn't.
But I'm your father.
I know. I'll try to ask him again this time. Chief, Gustavo, I'm going to the game store to find Mario Super Strikers.
Wait, is Mario Super Strikers a 3-sport video game that came out in 1996 for the Nintendo Game Box?
Nintendo 65?
Okay, see you later.
Douche.
Ciao!
Mario Super Strikers?
Yes, son, here in the US. It has 3 games with soccer, football, and bowling. Also known as Super Mario Football in Europe, Mario Smash Soccer in Australia, and Mario Superstar Bowling in Japan.
Awesome!
What are you guys talking about?
We're talking about Mario Super Strikers from 2 years ago.
Mario Super Strikers? That's a 3-sport video game that has 6 different grudge matches and new tournament events, including cup battles. Up to 16 people can play.
What? You mean over 32 people play 3 or more grudge matches over the city? Wow, that was a lot of players.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Gartails is buying that game right now.